how to add funds to your freelancer.com account. Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll teach you how you can add funds to your freelancer.com account. Now the first step is to log in into your freelancer account. Once you're logged in, you're brought to the page where you can see different posts and different jobs, different projects that you can participate in depending on your skill set. All right, and then following the next tab you'll see list, that is a list of freelancers that you've added, your hires and all of that, your projects, etc. Once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Once you've done that, in the drop down menu displayed, scroll down to settings. Now after scrolling down to settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. So on this page, the next thing is to move to the sidebar, the left sidebar, as you can see, where you can see some tabs. So on this tab, the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on account. All right, or trust and verification, account settings, payment and financials. So once you can see all of this and click on passwords and membership, you can see all of the procedures that are there. Then one way of adding your funds is by clicking on payments and financials and then clicking on add payments method. By the time you click on add payments method, you will be required to add a particular amount of money to your account in order to your payments method to be verified. This is one way. Then another way, which is the easiest way to go, is by coming back to your dashboard, then going to the top right corner and clicking on your profile icon. And once you've done that, in the drop down menu under finances, you will see the option add funds. This is the second way, and this is the one I prefer or I recommend. So once you click on add funds, you'll be taken to the add funds page. So on this page, you can see the different payment methods that you can use. So you can use your debit or credit card. To use your debit or credit card, you would have to enter in your card details, such as the card number, the car order number, and your CVC or CVV. Then if using PayPal, by the time you click on PayPal, you'll be asked to connect your PayPal account to your freelancer account. The same thing applies to Skrill and then bank deposit. And then once you're done adding them, move to the right side of the screen and click on confirm and pay, and then just like that, this particular amount that has been written out would be added to your freelancer account. All right, and then you can also change the currency, in case you don't want to use US dollar. You can just click on the currency icon, and then the available currencies that a freelancer accepts will be displayed to you, and then you can just go ahead and make use of the one that you would prefer. And then once you're done, just like that, the currency will be added to the money will be added to your freelancer account. So this is how it is. I'm sure you have a good day and see you in the next video.